and welcome back to my channel, Make Moves with Mia. Before I tell you what this video is going to be about, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and share this video. Now I know a lot of you have gone back to school either in person or online. Most people are online, I think, and I know all of us have math. Some of us love it, some of us don't like it very much. So today, I'm going to be teaching you how to do double by double multiplication, and I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Let's go. Okay guys, the first thing you're going to need is something to write on. I'm using some notebook paper, and I'll tell you why I like using notebook paper in a second. You can use a pencil, but today I'm going to be using a pen. First, let's just start off with something easy, smaller numbers. We'll do 12 times 11. This is why I like using notebook paper, because I can have the numbers go in these two lines, and then I kind of have a guide for the line right here. First thing you want to do is you want to multiply the bottom number right here, so the 1 and 11, and you're going to want to multiply it by the top number up here. So 1 times 2 would equal 2. Then you're going to go across, so you're going to take the same number, the 1 and 11, and go across to the 1 and 12. But you have to remember that it's not actually a 1, it's actually a 10. The 2 is a 2, but the 10 right here is in the 10's place. Therefore, it's a 10 and not a 1. So you're going to multiply 1 times the 10 up here, but you're not actually going to put the 10 down. You're just going to say 1 times 10, and that will equal 1. So then, once you're done with this, you're going to put a 0 down here. That's basically just saying that we already did this number, and now we're moving on to this number right here. You're going to do the same process. 1 times 2 equals 2, and 1 times 1, or 1 times 10, equals 1. Or 100 in this case, because it's in the hundreds place. Then, all you're going to do is add. So if I'm right here, make sure your place values are very lined up, because if they're very staggered like this, then you could get it wrong, because if you see the 10 is lined up with the 1, the 0 in the 1's place is not lined up with anything. So that's an example of what not to do. You're going to add up the numbers, so 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3, and 1, and there's nothing up here, so you can just put an imaginary 0 or an X, and so that is 1. Then you have your answer, 132. I know at my school they always tell me to circle my answers, so when you're done, be sure to circle your answer. Once you've done problems with smaller numbers like this one right here, I'm going to just section off my paper, and now we're going to do a little bit more of the hard ones. This one I'm going to be doing 49 times, let's do 41. As you can see, these are a lot bigger numbers, but don't get intimidated by how big the numbers are. It's the exact same process, so don't get overwhelmed. Again, we're going to take the bottom number in 41, which is the one right here, and do 1 times 9. Take the 9 down. Then we're going to go across and multiply the 1 times the 40 in 49. Think of it as a 40, but really you're only multiplying 1 times 4. So that would give you 49. Then again, add the 0. You can also do an X. Like I said before, this is basically saying that we already did the 1's place, and now we're moving on to the 10's place and doing the exact same process. 4 times 9 is 36. So you're going to put the 6 down and carry the 3 up. This one has carrying. It's just like addition. So now what you're going to do is do the 4 times the 4, the exact same thing, which is 16, but now you're going to carry and add the 3 to the 16, which will give you 19. And then you're going to add the 19 to here. If you have numbers going into the thousands, don't forget to add your commas, just like this. If you you have to regroup, which is basically this little number right here. In the first problem, get into the habit of crossing it out if there's more regrouping. That way you don't get confused. Now, all you're going to do is add, just like the last problem. 9 plus 0 is 9. 4 plus 6 is 10. Carry the 1 over, or the 10. Now, this is 10. Carry the 10 up, and now you have your answer, 2009. Okay, you guys, look how much you learned today. First, we started off with small numbers, then we went to medium numbers, and medium numbers with regrouping. You guys did so well, and I hope this really helped you learn how to do double by double multiplication. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and share this video. Keep making moves, guys!